Hi, I'm Jason Estes. I'm the owner of Sonny's Italian Kitchen and Pizzeria. We've got dining, we've got delivery, takeout, we've got waterfront dining, we've got a tiki bar that we have live music. Everything we do is fresh. I always say we're probably the freshest pizzeria in Door County. We make all of our doughs from scratch. All of our sauces are made from scratch. So I want them to get value, quality, and walk away satisfied. First up is going to be our traditional just sausage pepperoni pizza, Chicago style. We start out with fresh dough, we roll it, we put fresh sauce on, fresh sausage, freshly shredded mozzarella, and then we'll put pepperoni on and we'll put that in our deck oven. The ovens can cook about 50 large pizzas at one time, and that thing's full on Fridays and Saturdays. Second item up is our Neapolitan Pizza. We start out with a 12-ounce dough ball and hand stretch it, and we use San Marzano tomatoes from Italy. We'll use fresh mozzarella and basil on top, and that goes in our wood-fired pizza oven. It's only operated by wood. Third up is arancini. Arancini is very unique. It's a Sicilian appetizer. It's made with arborio rice, and it's stuffed with hamburger cheese. We bread it and deep fry it and then serve it with mozzarella. Very unique. Like I said, I'm pretty sure we're the only ones in Northeast Wisconsin to carry it. So we like to feature it. Fourth up is going to be our Rigatoni Boscaiola. That's a rigatoni noodle. We start out with a pan. We saute fresh Italian sausage, roasted garlic, and then we're going to add in a little heavy whipping cream, some tomato sauce, and some fresh grated Parmesan. That's our Rigatoni Boscaiola. Last but not least is going to be our Lobster Ravioli. Comes with 6 jumbo shrimp, and we start out sauteing roasted garlic, a little butter, and then we add puree roasted red pepper, and then we mix in a little heavy whipping cream, add some Parmesan, and toss that with the lobster ravioli.